have the APlus 1,500 pound lift with side extensions. Side extension ramps, side extensions themselves, and the poles that actually mount the side extensions, and the clips so the side extensions don't come off the poles. Here she is. They do ship it upside down. So that's going to be the fun part here in a little bit, is getting it flipped. Oh yeah. And if you don't have a pair of tin snips, the easiest way to cut those metal bands is place two pair of wire cutters, blade to blade, and just twist. Here you have the front extension, brings it out to about 110 inches, I think is what it was. Here is the main ramp, foot control valve, in my head, yeah. Eyelets for straps, front wheel stop, wheel chock, rest of the wheel chock, instructions. More grip tape for that center jack for raising it up a little bit. This pipe will actually go through on the back side, on the bottom, as kind of a stabilizer bar, goes side to side. Rest of the chock. Alright, now comes the fun part. Always got to have a big hammer. These zip ties right here are actually holding the top and bottom together so it doesn't spread apart when you flip it. Now the box says this thing weighs 530 some pounds, I think, or maybe it's 430 some pounds. I really don't want to try and lift it on my own. Luckily, whenever I bought this house and garage, somebody hung a chain from the rafter. Oh, those zip ties didn't last very long. So we will adjust fire here. The removable rear plate for removing tires. You also always need a big pry bar. And apparently I'm an idiot. I forgot to get the air hose out where I get a hold of it. There it is. So y'all know it's just a tad bit warm today. 91 degrees with a real feel of 97. Just gotta love that, right? Always use some kind of thread sealant on pipe fittings. I prefer the tape anymore. Always use the right wrench for the job. Alright. I was a little bit slow coming down, a lot slower than I like it, but of course it'll go faster whenever there's weight on it. I changed my mind. First we're going to do the bottom support bar. It's got two caps on the end, one to, or both of them are to, so it doesn't slide out. Tried to unplug you so I could show you the holes in that bar. I guess I'll take it back out and show you, but I believe this is the pin that goes in there, keeps it from sliding, but they only sent me one. I don't know if you can really see it or not. I would really prefer something a little bit more secure, so I'll probably replace that with a bolt. Alright, well I guess I gotta cut that part out. Now we'll do the sides. Each end has a hole for a linchpin to go in. And then two that are shorter, they go at the very back, which I guess I can go ahead and put. But they bolt in. Or pinch bolt, really. This here is what I refer to as a linchpin. Alright, so let's mount the wheel chock. They actually shipped it with all the bolts in the holes. It's kind of nice. On second thought, that pin that I put in the stabilizing bar goes right here for the front stop. Apparently, this wheel chock backwards from everything you would think. Let's get those tightened down. 13 millimeters. And I've got tools in two different damn locations. Alright, well let's install the dropout panel. That's the rear ramp installed, the main ramp. Go ahead ahead and grab the extension ramps. Still got to install the mount or the strap eyelets. There's two places up front. There's two sets of holes up front, one set in the back. Right here it's telling me leave these on until we get it flipped over. Hell, I tried, but it's also telling me not to turn over by one corner, but I didn't have anybody to help me, so everything turned out good. Wheels are still on track. Alright, here goes nothing. Alright, that there is just secure enough for me to go get straps. Alright. Just because I'm nervous, I'm going to give her a hand here. Here we go. There we go. Y'all didn't get the best view of that. Hopefully your view of me driving it up there was simple enough and good enough. But yeah, let's see what it takes to put it back down. I think we'll call it a night. Oh yeah, I like that. I just wish there was one to release it. Right now the air compressor is sitting at 100 pounds. We'll see if it'll raise it without kicking up, or well, it won't kick on. I've got it turned off. Let's see if we'll raise it all the way at 100 pounds. Just barely misses it. But it only dropped down to 90. About 95 maybe. Or 85, sorry. Kinda wish there was a center position on this damn lift. See if all that water is coming from the lift or the tank. All that water is coming out of the lift, out of that air system. There's no water coming out of my tank, which is kind of surprising. Alright. Good thing my garage ain't any shorter. One more thing. All that moisture that I thought was water coming out of that air system is actually oil. It's rust inhibitor, so it doesn't rust up while it's setting before they ship it, obviously. But it will stay on in the inside of the cylinder a little bit. So yeah, be kind of nice having this lift here. Have a good one. You guys are still here? What are you still doing here? Well, as long as you're here, if you want to watch more, there's some videos here. Maybe there, maybe there. Hell, they might be up there. I don't know where I'm going to put them at yet. But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so you know when I upload. And maybe share the video with a few friends. That way they might like what I do and go ahead and subscribe as well. Thanks for watching. Bye.